Students, today we are going to learn the last chapter of Methodology of Humanities, Indian Philosophy. Schools of Indian Philosophy. Introduction. The origin of Indian philosophy can be traced back to the Vedas, which are the earliest available Indian literature on record. It is difficult to know the chronological sequence of the development of the various schools of philosophy. This is so because historical records and biographical materials have not been properly preserved through the ages. The reason for this that for the ancient Indians, philosophy was more important than the philosopher, and the doctrines of the masters were passed on through oral instruction. The different schools of Indian thought emerged from around 600 BC to 200 BC and coexisted and developed until the 17th century AD. Periods of development. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan has outlined the four important periods of Indian philosophy. They are the first one, the Vedic or pre-Upanishadic period, 100, 1500 BC to 600 BC. This was the period of the early settlement and expansion of the Aryans along the Indus Valley. Superstition and thought were still in conflict at this time. Second one, the epic period, 600 BC to 200 AD. This was the age between the early Upanishads and various schools. It explored the relation between God and man. The seeds of Buddhism, Jainism, Saivism, and Vaishnavism were shown in this age. Third one, the Sutra period, 200 AD onwards. There was a rapid growth in literature of the various schools of philosophy in this period. Brief sutras were written to record their ideas, and there were many commentaries on them. This period critically analyzed the ability of the human mind to address philosophical problems. The scholastic period from 200 AD. This period is not very distinct from the Sutra period, but it is noted for the work of renowned scholars like Kumarila, Shamkara, Ramanuja, Bhaskara, Raghavendra, and others. This period is also generated many controversies and shallow debates in which philosophical thought was replaced by subtle logic chopping.